Hello, welcome to Rosina's kitchen, and today we are going to prepare sweet plantain. Let's dive in. This is my plantain already chopped. As you can see, I chopped it into small pieces. I have the salt, salt for testing, that is. I have the powdered chilies and the oil to fry it. Actually, we are going to fry it. Alright, so I'll just take my salt. I'm just putting it on my plantain. A pinch of salt, depends with the amount of the plantain you have, so I can't tell you the actual amount. Then I'm putting on my chili, just a little bit to spice it up, just shake it. Now we are ready to fry it. That's enough. Wait for it to heat. The reason for waiting for it to heat well is so that your plantain will not suck a lot of oil and it won't burn at the same time. So the medium heat is what you should use actually. Here we go. I just used 2 plantains, but you can chop as many as you want. Regulate the heat, the amount of heat that you can cook it well without burning. So you can serve it with rice, either rice and some stew on the side, or you can also serve it with beans, especially the beans. It's nutritious and yummy, nice, trust me on that. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Kindly subscribe and leave a comment, very important. I'll be answering your question, whatever you're asking. Just ask any question you want. Thank you and bye.